I'm online.
Oh, hello, this is Nathaniel Sperling and Aarron Chichu. We're gonna try to break the world record.
On this game.
And the world record is 6,321.
So who should go first?
I will.
Okay.
And this will be the reporter that's talking to Aarron Chichu. 10 years old.
What?
Okay, you ready?
I thought I was 16. Holy shit, we're fast. You better watch out, dude. You don't want to die. Oh, that is human. That is so sad.
2 turns each.
Okay, 3 times each. Oh, watch out. Oh my god, he almost made it. Oh, look. Oh, look. Hey, guess what? What? You're gay. Just kidding. I'm just trying to distract you. Oh, we're sad.
Die.
Okay, 3rd time. Go.
Freaking fast.
I know, we're sad. Bush! Don't kitty.
Okay, now it's Aarron Chichu's turn. Okay, go. Well, he's at 100 now. 200. Oh, he dies on 212. Well, that was sad. We're going down. We're going down. Screw you, you damn Indian. We're going down. There are no survivors on that day. We don't speak Jap. Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that was funny. Don't take that as a racist joke.
Indians.
Oh, we're sad you die at 100. I gotta keep it in. You did it! You broke our own record. Personal record. Okay, let's see if I can do better.
Okay, get your mark. Get set. Oh, never mind. 24. 24. It could be 24. And okay, just play.
Wake up!
Huh?
Ah, for me.
Well. So that's 3.
That was a sad. That was not. I'm a sad panda now. Very sad.
You screw up badly.
Yeah, I screwed up badly.
That's why your wife is dead.
Aw, my wife is dead. No. We're messed up. Oh, you failed. Oh my god, he just banged his head on the screen. Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
No one can break my record 5
Yeah.
At least I'll still try.
Well, anybody here. You're the good one and funny one. I'm the sucky, nerdy one. We're messed up.
That's crazy. No one could ever defeat my record. Even though anybody can in the world.
Technically, but not. You mean here?
Oh God, you suck. Okay, you have 2 more tries and then we'll watch our video. Ouch! 2 times in a row.
Jesus Christ, you gotta stop messing up.
It's like a wiener. Okay, you're dead. At 76 again. Okay, and we are. It is. I wish there was a time. 12:13 a.m. and it's Saturday.
Yeah.
Morning. Well, bye. Are you gonna turn it off, man?
Eastern time. Don't forget Eastern time.
Who cares?
Wait.
Stupid thing. What have you done?